My last silk press was actually a hit, and it's just got really like dry and it feels hard in my hair right now because I put oil and stuff. So I'm about to go wash my hair and then flat iron it again, give myself a silk press again. So I'm going to take you guys with me, so let's do it. Okay, so it turns out that I didn't use enough heat protectant when I silk pressed my hair the first time. And as you can see, I got heat damage. Honestly, hey, what you can do, you know? You live, you learn, you make mistakes. Get over it. It's just hair. I guess I'm really a straight natural now. Because I don't know if I could even wear this in a fro ever. Actually, I can because I've seen people do it. But anyways, I'm going to put this leave-in in my hair. I'm gonna try this today at the Wow. I've been watching Black Doves. That's been keeping me sane throughout this whole process of flat ironing my hair. So now I'm just about to curl it, and after that I'm just gonna tie it down. So I usually put this or this when I'm done, but I'm wondering to put it after I curl my hair. I think we'll put it after. Alright, so I had to shoot some content. So I took my hair down and I was like, let me show how it actually came out. And y'all, the silk press is silk pressing. Let me put on my glasses. Yes. Like, she came out good. I love it. And although I have so much heat damage, y'all, I'm not even like stressing it because it is what it is. I had heat damage before and it is what it is. Like, now that I have the heat damage, I'm just gonna do whatever because I'm gonna have to cut my hair anyway and start over. So I think for my birthday I kind of want to do a bob cut. So like cut all this off to right here. It's bold and I don't know, I might change my mind, but right now that's the hairstyle I'm thinking for my birthday. And yeah, but the hair came out cute. Like, she cute. Like how it was looking before, it was dry, it was stiff, and it wasn't giving like a bounce, and I wasn't feeling that. But it lasted me, my last silk press lasted me 3 weeks, so this is about to probably last me until January, until my birthday, until I decide to do another hairstyle. Today is December 12th, so my hair is definitely going to last till the end of the month. I'm just going to keep like reviving it. Lip combo. And this is my drugstore lip gloss. I think it was like $1.99. But it gets really shiny. The only thing I hate about it, because you know that lip gloss is like when you do that, sometimes if I have it on too long, it does that, and then I take it off. But other than that, it really gets my lips like really like glossy when I do my nude lip. And then I just put the gloss over it. It just like does what it needs to do. So yeah.